online video tutorials. In this video tutorial we will learn about Microsoft Word, how to open it, how to save it, and how to close it. As well as we will also learn about Explorer, how to open an Explorer, how to create folders inside an Explorer, as well as in the Save As dialog, and how to open files from the Explorer. And we'll also learn shortcuts, computer shortcuts that you can use to save a document, to open a document, to close a document, as well as to open an Explorer and close an Explorer. Okay, so go to the start window here, go to the start button, click on the start button, scroll down till you find Microsoft Office. You'll see a folder here, Microsoft Office. Click on the down arrow button. It lists the different products of Microsoft Office that are there on your. Click just once, the Microsoft Office Word document appears. Okay, so by default it will show the name of the document here at the top. You see the name of the document will be shown as document 1. Before you do any changes or before you start typing whatever you wanted to create a document for, it is better to save it. So how to save? Go to the Office button, save here, save, click on save. The save as dialog appears. By default the Explorer will open in the documents folder. The documents will be saved under documents folder under C drive. The documents folder on C drive. Do not save there, as there are more chances of losing your data if your C drive closes, if your computer is shuts down automatically, or if there is a electric current is lost, and due to which a desktop, if you do not have an EPS, it will shut down automatically. So at those times the document will not be saved. So it is better to save it in other directories. In my computer there are directories other E and F. I'm going to save in the other E directory. Click on it, the other E directory opens. The different folders that are there on the E directory will be shown. Okay, so create a new folder, right click on the click on new, click on new folder. So it would come like this, new folder number 2. It depends on how many new folders you have with the same name. Okay, so type, name the folder which you would like, within which you would like to create the document. So let us name this as tutorial 1, and double click on it. The tutorial 1 folder is created and the tutorial 1 folder opens. Now save the document, give the name to the document. Here I am giving the name as test ABC. Leave the save as type as Word document. This save as type allows you to save document in different formats. Will not go into that, as it will more tedious. It becomes difficult to understand things at the beginning. So leave it as it is and click save. So the document gets saved. Here you see test ABC. The document is saved. Now start typing whatever you would like. Great, I will type something for you here. Okay, this is my information. Now you want to save it. If you close it, if I try to close the document, it would ask you to save the document. Since it is not saved, okay, I will show it later. To save the changes or the things that you have done in the document, to save those changes or additions or updates that you have done, go to the office button here, click on it, and here it is. How it's asking if you have done something wrong, or if your Microsoft Word is closing, it will ask you this Office Word dialog box to save. Will come to ask you, I will ask you whether you would like to save the changes that you have done to test TVC. So you say yes. Okay, to reopen the file that we have done. Okay, so the saved document is, oh, it is doing like that. Test TVC, I don't know, test TVC is open. So you want to save the changes that you have done. That is, for example, you want to do these changes, you want to save it, go to Alt, go to Office button and click Save. It saves. Here it is showing, it would save the changes that I have done. There is a control button option that will allow you, there is a keyboard shortcut which will allow you to do the same task, same do allow you to save the document. So it is press the control button on your keyboard, plus yes button, that saves your document. So press the control button and plus the yes button. So you would say, you do here, you are seeing it saves the document. So this is one of the shortcuts to save the document. Now how to close the document? It's again the same. Go to the Office button here and see close. Okay, it closes the document. So to reopen the document, how to reopen the document? Open the Microsoft Word. Okay, it opens as an empty document. Go to the Office button here, and here you will see recent documents. The document that I have done just now will be saved, that is test ABC is saved. Click on it, test ABC, yes, with the changes that you have done. Okay, the last minute changes that you have done. Now how to close it? You need to go to there are two options. One is the keyboard option, one is the regular word option that is there on your desktop. That is, go to the Office button, see close. Okay, so I have shown you how to close the document. I have shown you how to reopen the closed document. Now I need to show you the shortcut option to close the document. The shortcut option to close the document is, push the Alt button, push the Alt button, then plus Alt F and C, Alt F C. This closes the document. Alt F C. This is the other shortcut for closing the document. Okay, so we have closed. So in this section is what we have learned. Right now, what you have learned in the session now till now is how to open a Word document, how to save a Word document, how to open a Word document, how to save a Word document, and how to close a Word document. Okay, now we need to now we learn to now we learn about Explorer, how to open inside an Explorer and how to open files from the Explorer. Okay, so the shortcut way, the so we have closed. So in this section is what you have learned. Now right now, what you have learned in the session now till now is how to open a Word document, how to save a Word document, how to open a Word document, how to save a Word document, and how to close a Word document. Okay, now we need to now we learn to now we learn about Explorer, how to open inside an Explorer and how to open files from the Explorer. Okay, so the shortcut way, the to open an Explorer, go to the start button. I will again show it for you. Type Explorer and click OK. The Explorer appears. If you have Explorer as a shortcut on your status bar, here it will show like this. It would appear like this. You can click on it, the Explorer appears. But what it will show is it gives a quick access. There is a frequent folders that you opened, the recent files that you opened, and on the left hand panel, if you click on the PC, it shows the drives that are available: local C drive and E and F drives. Okay, so this is how we can open an Explorer. To let us create a folder. So I will create a folder, a new folder inside in the Explorer. Right click on it. It is the same as we have done in the save as dialog box. New folder, test ABC, and push the enter button, and again push the enter button. The test ABC folder appears. So this is how you can create a folder inside and open inside an Explorer. Okay, so in the tutorial we have learned, right now what we have learned in the tutorial is so what you have learned in the tutorial is what you have learned in the tutorial is we have learned to open, save and close a document. We have also learned how to reopen an already existing document, how to open an Explorer, how to create folder in an Explorer, and the different shortcuts that would require while using Explorer or using document, Microsoft Word document. Okay, so thank you for all. Thank you everybody over. Thank you, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you feel the tutorial is informative. Thank you once again.